Okay, so this is the grill. It's in two parts. We have to just put it in place and mark the spots where we have to drill the holes. That's the first thing we're gonna do. And then we have the lenses, the white ones. We have two big ones, and then we have two smaller ones, and of course the parts that go in the middle, in the center. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put this. You can simply line it up right there, or you can just mount it at any angle. You can use those lines there to line it up. Now we're just gonna test the fitment here in the grill. This is not needed. I'm just showing you how you have to put it later. We're going to make 4 holes for each side, so it will be a total of 8 holes. 3mm will be good here, here, and there, and then we're gonna just mark down these parts and remove the excess. Okay, we made a hole here. We're just putting these just to make sure that we have the right placement. Okay, and that's what I wanted to make sure. Do you see that there is a big gap right there? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the holes a bit bigger so we can move these two grills closer. Okay, as you can see it here, now we have it really close, and you can actually not see the gap that it's between. I'm now adding the nuts, so this part is a little bit boring. If you want to skip it, just go ahead. And one more thing I forgot to mention is that we also have it in green, blue, red, amber, and other colors too. You have to check that out in the website. Okay, and after doing this part, I realized that I should have cut the body first. So I'm gonna remove the grill, make the cuts off camera, and boom, we have it. You don't have to do it perfectly. You can actually remove way more than you need. That's not a problem because the grill will cover those defects. It's the fun part. We're gonna put the lenses right in the grill. I'm just cleaning it. Okay, we just put it like so, and the other one too. You're gonna have to, after doing this, after putting the lights, the LED lights inside the buckets, you will have to add some hot glue. That's the best glue we recommend using, because if you want to remove it in the future, you just have to heat it up. And this is how it looks. I'm just removing the dust from the cutting. Looks beautiful. Now the only thing you have to do is put the LEDs right in the gaps. I did it off camera because that's pretty much the same as with other light buckets that we have. And now we just have to add some hot glue once you have it in place. And this is how it looks finished. And for videos about wiring, you can just go to the YouTube channel and you're gonna find a lot of videos about that.